listen, for some people, it can genuinely be life-saving. I'm just against, like, oh, I'm like a little bit downstairs too much. I'm just gonna go like the Is it because of this?
Maybe.
You see this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I love the ones that like turn around, like the orange and yellow one.
yeah, there's a scale. I love that one too. Yeah, the drop feels so nice. But no, this one goes like the one where it drops you at the start, and then you fall through the door. This is scale at the top. Let's go.
Why do you scream like that? You're like, you scream like a goat.
Like that.
You scream like a goat.
Oscar Van Flanders, one of the things that mostly not police on their transport.